Hey beauties, it's Shaq
and Rachel.
And did you know that June is wedding season? Well, I'm going to teach you how to go from this to this. Look at how beautiful she looks. So if you want to see how we got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, beauties, as you can see, she looks like a fabulous bride ready to walk down the aisle. Key things that you need to do in order to make it look like a bridal makeup is that you want her eyes to look open and welcoming. That's why we went from a lighter to a darker color that's going to give the illusion that her eye is longer but also open wide, ready to meet her significant other. We also chose a lipstick that was not overpowering. It had a little bit of a mauve tone, but it's also throwing towards the nude side, so it's not too much to take away from the entire look. Everything nice and soft. We made sure we did skincare, that we did layers, primers, everything that you need to make the makeup last longer and look nice and fresh throughout her wedding day. This is one way to do bridal makeup. You can do bridal makeup to the choosing that you like. Bridal makeup is really whatever the bride feels comfortable in. These are just tips and tricks to make the makeup look better and last longer. So without further ado, here's how we got this look started. The beginning to any good makeup is good skincare. And we're gonna start this makeup with our Super C Ester Serum. Next, like any good painting, we're going to apply a primer to the face. Today we're going to be using our Absolute Cover foundation. Absolute Cover has medium to full coverage and is perfect for any bride because once it's on the skin, it's there to stay. We're going to be using our perfecting puff to apply the foundation evenly throughout her skin. We're going to be using our concealer Magic Roulette to correct and conceal the skin. For a bride, we like to conceal under the eyes, but we also like to add a little bit of concealer on the side of the nose and on the chin, because when people get emotional, those are the first places where we're going to see color changing in the skin. So we use concealer so it can act as a barrier and last a little bit longer besides the foundation. Now we're going to use our Derma Mineral Loose Powder Foundation, and this is our oil control powder, which is perfect for any bride to maintain her makeup matte and last longer. And we're applying it heavy under the eyes, so when we do the makeup, there is no fallout. For today's look, we chose a palette that has a lot of neutrals, and this is the palette Summer Edit. She is super cute. She has shimmers, she has mattes, all in neutral shades, perfect for summer, but also perfect for any bridal look. I like to start every makeup look with a nice highlighting color. We're going to pick this color right here, and I'm applying it on a fluffy brush, and we're going to apply this color under the brow bone, on the tear duct, and halfway down the eye. Next, we're going to use a matte shade that's a little bit darker than our model, and we're going to use this on the crease, and this is going to act like our buffer. Because the color is matte and neutral, any other color is just going to blend right in, and this just makes it easier to blend out all colors. Next, we're going to go with a little bit of a darker color, and we're going to do the same thing but further back. We're going to take this color and we're going to start with a nice light pink, and we're starting at the lid of the eye. We're going to bring this color up and back. We're going to take a darker pink color, also in a shimmer. We're going to apply that where the other color ended and back. Next, we're going to take this deeper mauve shade and we're going to apply that in the outer corner of the eye, and we're applying that in an angle shape and then into her crease. Clean your brush and then we blend. We're going to dip our brush into a much darker brown now, and we're going to go into that corner again but in a smaller amount. We're going to go a little bit lower and deepen that edge. And now with an even smaller brush, we're going to go into the deepest brown, and we're going to go back into that corner and blend it in. Taking that same brown color, we're going to apply it under the lash line to give a little depth under the eyes. Taking a big fluffy brush, we're going to remove the excess powder, and as you can see, there is no fallout because it got swiped away along with the powder. I want her inner corner to really pop, so I'm going to take the highlighter Star Island and we're going to apply that to the lid. We're going to use our semi-permanent eyebrow gel in the color khaki. I always like to start in the back so we can deposit the color and then go towards the front with whatever's left over on the brush so it can be lighter to dark towards the back. Next, we're going to use our fixed line eyeliner gel in black. I ask her to look down. I lift the lid and we tight line in the inner corner of the eye. And then we go on top and we meet it up and we continue our line. I don't like to do a wing on a lot of brides, so I like to take the dark color that we used in the corner, and we're also going to smoke out the eyeliner with the same color and blend it out. We're gonna dip back into our Face It palettes, and this is the light palette, and we're gonna dab on the contour color, and I'm putting that on the side of my brush, and we're gonna use the same side of the brush to contour under her cheekbones. We're also gonna bring whatever's left over to the temples and under her chin. We're gonna take the bronzer color now on the top of the brush, and we're going to bronze the entire face. This also helps to blend out the contour shade, but mostly to give a lot of warmth to the skin so she looks sun-kissed. We're gonna take our signature blush palette, and I'm just going to swirl most of the colors to get a nice color for her cheeks. And we're gonna bring this high up on the cheekbones to bring the eyes higher up on the face. It's always good to make sure that your bride has her own lipstick so she can reapply it throughout the day. You wanna choose a color that's complementary to the wedding. You wanna pick a color that's also complementary to her skin tone and the colors that you applied on her eyes. Next, we're gonna apply our HD Volumizing Mascara. You can use white eyeliner to open up the eyes, but nowadays we like to use more of a nude color. It looks more natural and it opens up the eyes the same way. Earlier I forgot to add highlighter, so we're going to take the highlighter in the Face It Meaty palette and we're going to use it on Rachel, and voila. Ooh. Okay, beauties, this is the final look. We hope that you enjoyed this video. We hope that you liked the bridal makeup series. Let us know in the comments below what other event makeup you want to see, or any other look that you want to see that we can do for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel so you can see more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.